Typecasting. Typecasting is a method to convert the variable from one data type to another data type during program executions. Means one data type means maybe data in the form of integers. Integers mean any values, and convert into another type. Other types mean maybe in the form of string. String means the statements. If maybe in the data maybe in the form of numbers, you can change it in the floating points, in the decimal points during the executions. This one is known as the typecastings. So what is the definition of the typecasting is, typecasting is a method to convert variables from one data type to another data type during program executions. It has two types. The first one is the implicit and the second one is explicit data type, typecasting. The first one is the implicit data typecasting. Impli means inner, clear, and X means outer. Implicit typecasting is performed automatically by the compilers without programmers' interventions. Clear? Implicit means programs do by itself. No need of external help. No need of external persons to do the task. Computers, compilers automatically do it. This one is the implicit typecastings. Clear? Implicit से याद रखिए. And X mean out, imp mean in. ठीक है? Implicit typecasting, I will repeat it, is performed automatically by the compilers without programmers' interventions. Okay, in this way, the compilers convert all operand into the data type of the largest operand. Okay, what is the operand? This one is a new word for you. Operand means the part of the instructions that specify the data, या memory locations of the data on which the operation will perform. ठीक है? Suppose 1 plus 2, in which 1 and 2 are the operand and the plus sign is the operator. ठीक है? What is the operand? ये 1 and 2. These are the operand. ठीक है? The part of the instructions that specify the data, जो data को specify करता है, या memory locations of the data on which the operations will perform. Clear? This is the implicit. The second one is explicit typecastings. Explicit typecasting is performed by programmers. Means we need the help of the other persons to do it, and obviously the programmer is the persons from where we get the help. The programmer explicitly defines the data type in parentheses before the variables या expressions. What will the syntax of it? Obviously, अगर inner हो रहा है तो inner के लिए हमें कोई data syntax की जरूरत नहीं है. Explicit के लिए we need the formula, syntax, type, and expressions. For example, programmers convert the divisions of two numbers into float. Suppose के numbers, any two numbers plus 40 या 60 convert into digital forms. Look at the picture. ये मैंने भी रन किया था. Hash include studio.io.h, main bracket curly bracket will start, body, integers means the numbers. When you will declare the variables in numbers, you will use the data type integers, int. These when you will learn the chapter 3, these points will be more clear क्योंकि उसके अंदर मजीद बेसिक्स है. Integers, suppose value 1 is the first variable and value 2 is the second variables. We need the two numbers. ठीक है? We will assign the values. Value 1 suppose 40 and value 2 suppose 6. For each, I will repeat it. When you write the statements, must be terminate each statement with semicolons. Clear? Like value 1 is equal to 40, terminate with semicolons. Value 2 is equal to 6, terminate with semicolons. Look. ठीक है? And then we want to convert it. The result will be converted in floating. में हमें result चाहिए. Float is an other data type. So the results will be shown in the float. Float means the result will be shown in the decimal points. So result is equal to float means type कौन सी हमारी float, and expressions mean variables, value 1 divided by value 2. ठीक है. Print f, print we will be used as the output. Semicolons will be started. Result is equal to percentage f. F indicate that we take the value in the form of float. ठीक है. If you want to take the value in the numbers, then you will use the D. दुआ ने practice की, with know it very well. And then comma, and this result will be shown on the over there. ठीक है. इस results को हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे comma के बाद. Terminated with semicolons, and then the curly bracket will be closed. Look the down. After the compiling, there is no compilations, no errors and no warning. ठीक है. Means the program is corrected. Got it? Clear, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. वो slowly आवाज आ रही. Okay, अभी this one is बस आपने ये याद रखना है